This system achieves an immersive, three-dimensional soundscape by incorporating 4 satellite speakers with integrated upward-firing drivers compatible with Dolby Atmos. A potent 200-watt amplifier drives the 8-inch downward-firing subwoofer, which includes versatile controls for phase and crossover frequency adjustments. The clever design of the upward-firing drivers creates the overhead sound channels by reflecting audio off the ceiling, eliminating the need for complex in-ceiling speaker installations. Despite its powerful output, the entire system maintains a remarkably compact footprint, with satellite and center channel speakers that are easy to place in any room. Both the satellite and center speakers come equipped with standard 1/4-inch 20-threaded inserts, offering flexible mounting possibilities on walls or stands. Broad compatibility is ensured as the system works seamlessly with standard surround sound receivers while also unlocking its full potential with Dolby Atmos-enabled models.